Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and look at this absolutely gorgeous lock lent to me by my good friend Yukov. This is a KABA GeGe PExtra cylinder in a lock body I've never seen before. I know Vachette do something similar, but that's a French company. This is just beautiful. Is it not beautiful? This sort of handbag style lock with a cylinder in there. It's absolutely lovely. The keyway is extremely gnarly as well, loads of warding. It is paracentric, but you can pick up through, let's grab a hook, the warding on this lock like that. Here we go. You can pick up through the warding, which is useful, very useful. There is something about this lock though, other than its passive key control pin there, which you don't need to pick or anything, is that, well look, put this in, you turn it clockwise, nothing happens. Why? Because you can only turn it anti-clockwise to get the open. It also looks like it's got 6 pins when you count the number of chambers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But when you align the key, you might be able to see there that it's only got 5 pins. The 6th one we think is a groove that runs around this side of the lock because it only opens anti-clockwise like that, and we think that's maybe a sprung, but nevertheless a bar which rides a groove in the cylinder to basically stop it from turning much more than 180 degrees. And that does mean that you do have to pick it anti-clockwise. It cannot be tension clockwise, as I found out when I was trying to learn to pick this. I did default to picking, trying to tension clockwise and didn't get anywhere, and I felt like a bit of an idiot when I remembered that you do actually pick it anti-clockwise. I don't think there's a way to gut this lock at all, so all we can do is throw this in a vise and give it a pick and see where we get to. But yeah, look at that. Look at that bitting as well. Really great, isn't it, with this sort of max cut between pin 4 and pin 5 there, which will be very tricky to get. Definitely need a deep hook for this. All right, enough waffling. Let's get on. Okay, so we are in the vise. That is that beautiful key with the extreme bitting. Remember, it won't turn clockwise, only anti-clockwise, which is a very cool feature, if you ask me. We have a couple of hooks here. We've got some, let's try and get them here. So we've got a deep hook, and we've got a couple of medium hooks here. There we go, just in case we need them. And then I've got a 1mm turning tool, which will go at the top, not all the way. There we go. And we'll just, we'll pop this in the keyway and see what we can find. This is 0.6, so 23,000 an inch. So that felt like pin 3. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 1. Okay, let's try 3 again. Look, 3. Nothing on 2. I think we're on 1 now. Little click on 1. That feels fine. Nothing 2, 3. Okay. That's we're on pin. What are we on? Pin 5 now. Okay, good. Pin 5. So pin 1 now. I don't think I've overset 1, but I could have done. 2, 3, 4. Oh, struggling to get under 4 there. Let's try 5. 5, okay. Back to 1, 2, 3. Nothing 4. 5 there, okay. 1, 2. Doesn't feel like anything on 3 or 4. 5, okay. Back to 1, 2, 3, little click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try again. 1, 2, 3. Swap over to another hook. Oh, we just hit 5 and we're open. Look at that. Wow, that was surprisingly hard. Can we open it without... There we go, open it all the way. Don't want the what would it be, driver pins falling into the keyway, but there we have the open, which I think is pretty cool. Take out the vise, move that out of the way of the camera, and show you what that looks like. So there we go, all open up. Very cool. Now what I'll do is I will lock it back up. How do I do that? So that's that way, or would it be that way a little bit until it does it, until it goes down, and then I can turn it all the way back and it's locked back up. Good, that's how you do it. Phew. And then yeah, just it works perfectly fine. But what an amazing lock. I've never seen one like this, never seen this GeGe PExtra in this body before. I don't know what yeah, this block body is. It's just very, very cool. Absolutely love it. So thank you to my good friend Yukov for lending me this lock. It's such a cool but very difficult lock to pick. Yeah, hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all, reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing if you want to watch more content like this, and I'll see you all next time.